Everyone, today I'm going to be showing you some new stuff I got, but some of it's old I'm going to be showing you. Here we have it kind of looks like a EST Genesis, but it's not. I don't know the name, I just write what it looks like. I got it printed out today. Here we have a Simplex T-Bar. Getting wired up, I just need to get some wires and put the back things back in them. They're not wired up. Simplex switch, Simplex annunciator, electrical panel side. And that we have an alert alarm I put up. That's new. That's new up there. Okay, and guys, I put it on the back of a box, and it's strung on the wall. So it's on a box now. Yay! And I put a key thing inside it, so it has a key thing. Over here we have a key lock. I had to get a new one because the other one I told you last time on that last video, it got locked at our old apartment and it got sawed off. We have a Lee-Lock mini horn. That's a Lee-Lock. That's a mini horn. Simplex T-Bar, smoke alarm, EST Genesis, alert alarm, police. Let me get closer. We got a police alarm, blue point. We have an alert alarm, Firelight BD12, fire exit emergency route, trailer alert, and good. It's new. I haven't ever touched it since it's been put up there since this year's Christmas in 2018. Exit sign, the same smoke alarm that came with the apartment. And I have a new office chair. It's green. And guys, hold on. I'm gonna have to set the camera up real quick. Okay. Okay. First up, we got some stickers I got from my school, new ones. Security door stickers. Okay, all the other stuff's old. You remember? It's called fire signs and stuff. Here we go. We're gonna light this, but I'm gonna try. It's not hooked up yet. I'm gonna put on. But if it was, this isn't real. This thing. It looks like a heat detector, but if I was to really do it, it would be like this. So yeah, it would look like. Hold on. If you guys can't see it here, I'll lighten it up. Here, see? If I was really gonna hook it up, it would look like this. But hold on, real quick. Hold on. So the wire right here would go right here. The control panel would be right here. And yeah. Guys, let me see what happens if I plug this in. I'll be back in a minute. Oh, electricity comes out of it, bro. Whoa. Whoa, guys, electricity just came out of it into this thing, and it started to spark. I don't know if you guys heard that, but yeah. New tape roll, this thing. I use this to hang them up. This is strong against the wall. Yeah. See this, guys? SCR Safety has one of these too, but his has a door. I got this from a Goodwill outlet. I picked it up. So yeah. Yeah, that's this. And and subscribe.